Hi, my name's Patrick Smith. This is my wife, Kelly Smith. We recently updated our bathroom through BST. Our bathroom was about 16 years old. We were looking for, an update, something new. Modern, yes. We found BST online. We kind of compared their pricing and design to several other different vendors. We met with Matt and went through different design layouts and materials, and we came up with kind of a good layout and color scheme that fit our needs. Throughout the process, Matt and the construction team were very considerate about the day-to-day. I was actually working at home while it was going on. They were very considerate around being clean and throughout basically making sure construction debris and things didn't impact us throughout the house.
Always kept us up to date on everything.
They were just very considerate throughout the entire process. From beginning to end, we were just very happy with the completion, but also working from home, being around.
Wasn't much of a disruption to our day-to-day life, I don't think.
It went well to the degree that our neighbors ended up using BST after this, so that was good for everyone.
We're very happy with how it turned out.
Yeah, so we've been living in it for the last couple of months. Everything's held up really well. It's definitely been a nice improvement to our house and life. Yeah, we wanted the shower to be a little bit bigger. We definitely wanted a different tub design.
Yes, color scheme.
The color scheme was definitely there.
Also the doors. I was very big on getting rid of all the doors that opened up into the bathroom.
I probably like the lighted mirror.
That was his idea.
Yeah, that was also my idea.
Or Matt's idea, one of them.
Yeah. But I definitely enjoyed that, and I really like the shower. We had a nice shower before, but just a little bit of the extra space and the design layout, I enjoy more. So our house, like many 16-year-old houses, there's different improvements. There's some smaller bathrooms, we'll eventually look to upgrade. I don't know when, one day maybe we've discussed a kitchen. We were definitely happy with the end product, along with,
the whole process.
The whole process. It's not done in a week, so if you're working with a company, you want to make sure that it's a livable situation for, those several weeks that things are being completed.